Hi, my name is Gilly, and I'm here to give you a little overview of Annoto. Annoto brings all the advantages of the physical classroom into the world of the online learning environment. When I'm talking about the advantages of the physical learning environment, then from the learner's point of view, being a part of a classroom, hearing my fellow learners can really expand my learning in terms of being exposed to fellow ways of thinking, being exposed to other learners' questions. Sometimes these would be the same questions that I had, but maybe I was too shy to ask. So just by sitting in a classroom with fellow learners can really get me seeing things in ways that I never would have thought of myself. From the instructor's point of view, if I'm teaching a classroom, being able to see my classroom can really give me a picture of the whole learning process that is happening, starting with who came to class and are they concentrated? Are they listening to me? Do they understand what I'm saying? And when we move to the world of online learning, sometimes we don't have all of these advantages. The students' viewing experience may be kind of passive, kind of lonely. Students are sitting in front of the computer, they're watching the video and they're waiting for it to end. We have no idea as the instructors, did they actually went to watch the video? Did they understand what they were watching? We cannot know what exactly happened there. And this is where Annoto comes in. Annoto brings that active social learning experience into the world of online learning, while providing the instructors the insights, the analytics and the insights on everything that happened while my students were watching the video. And the way that we're doing that is by adding an interaction layer aside of any video that automatically adds to the video, sorry, and enables all kinds of interaction, either between the video viewers and between each video viewer and the video itself. We're adding all kinds of spaces, tabs that the users can do different kinds of interactions with the video. So basically, the Annoto solution takes any video content and any use case. Think about any video that you're teaching with. This can be a knowledge video. This can be a recorded lecture. This can be a video of you recording yourselves, or this can be a video of the students recording themselves. Any video that you're taking. We're adding a layer that enables all kinds of interaction between the video viewers and of each viewer with the video itself. We're giving you the ability to get all the analytics, to see all the insights that were happening in this video learning experience. The Annoto widget supports any type of media. So it's not only videos, it's also audio and live streaming. And soon we will be also supporting pages. Annoto supports any media provider. So think about any video that you want to use, Annoto can just automatically be added to it. And most importantly, Annoto is an integral part of any learning environment. So basically, what you know and what your students know, it's the same thing that they're going to do. They're just going to have an added layer to learn much deeper with it. By enabling all kinds of interactions with the video, we're basically supporting all kinds of use cases with learning, with teaching and learning with videos. For example, we can take a video and use it for collaborative learning, for having a discussion on the video. We can use it to guide our students. We can use the videos for skills assessment, where our students may be the ones who are uploading the videos and are getting feedback, either from ourselves as the instructors or from their fellow students. So basically, any video that you're using, you can take and use it in so many different ways for teaching, and for the students, of course, for learning. Like we've mentioned, every video is always a part of the LMS, where there is no need to download any additional app. There's no need to install anything on the computer. Once the video is automatically added to the LMS, Annoto automatically supports it. And more than that, we can leverage basically any activity that you have within your LMS. So basically, if you're using your videos in pages, in assignments, in modules, in discussions, Annoto will automatically be there, enables you to do whatever you want to do with it. Let me take you to see how it looks like. Like we've mentioned, Annoto can be on any LMS. So this is how it looks like, for example, in Blackboard. We have a video, we have the Annoto widget. Currently, there is no discussion here yet, so it invites you to start the discussion. This is Blackboard. Here's how it looks like in Canvas. We have a video, we have Annoto at the side of it, and of course, here we can already see the discussion. Annoto is also supported in Kaltura, in MediaSpace. So this is how it looks like in MediaSpace. We have a video and we have Annoto here. Let's talk a little bit about the Annoto widget. The Annoto widget contains all kinds of spaces. You as the instructors can choose which spaces you want to enable in all the videos in your course and of every video. So let me show you all the different spaces, and keep in mind that you can always choose which of the spaces you want to use in which of the videos. The first one is the comment space. The comment space is the shared environment where we can have a discussion between anyone who is watching the video. This is how it works. I'm playing the video. Whenever I want to add a comment or ask a question, I will click on add a comment. I will ask my question, and I can even say what type of a comment that is. Is it a question? Is it an insight? And so on. I'm adding my comment, in this case, my question, and anyone can see who added the comment if this is the educator, the instructor, or a student. But most importantly, every comment gets a time tag. Clicking on the time tag will take me to that exact moment in the video that the comment refers to. So if I'm, as the instructor, told my students, pay attention here, my students can click on that time tag and go to that specific moment. Or if one of my students said, I didn't get this part, can you please explain again? I can just click on the time tag and it will take me to that moment in the video that the student did not understand. So the interactions in the comment space can be of any kind. Students can ask and you can answer, or you can ask the questions and students can answer, or students can ask and fellow students can answer. The comment space enables to also record video as a comment. You can choose if you want to record yourself or record your screen, and then everyone can see the discussion right here. So you can use it to provide feedback, to add additional resources. You can also mention users in the comment space. Of course, that every comment that is added here can be seen in the Annoto interactive timeline at the bottom of the video. The timeline enables a visual representation of all the comments that we have in the comment space. So basically, just by very quickly glancing at the video, I can identify the specific places in the video that have a lot of comments with a higher bar, and which type of comments. The colors of the bars represent the sentiments of the comments that were chosen. Of course, that if I added a question in the discussion, I would probably want to know if someone replied to it. So in the Annoto menu, I can register to be notified on comments and questions, sometimes only the replies for me. I can choose my notification preferences. I can choose for what I want to be registered for notifications. And you as the instructors can manage the entire discussion directly from the dashboard. So if by any chance you're not interested in getting notification emails, you don't have to, completely up to you. Let's move to talk about the people space. People space enables me to see everyone that is with me in the course, and I can click on any specific user and invite them to a private chat. I can also see all the chat history with everyone from my course. The personal note space, pretty much like its name, it's completely personal, completely private, meaning I can write things for myself here that only I will be able to see. It works the same way in terms of playing the video, adding a comment, the comment is added, or my personal note is added with the time tag. If I didn't like what I wrote, of course, I can edit or delete my notes. Students usually use that to summarize the video, to highlight specific moments, to reflect on the video content. Instructors usually use that to write things for themselves based on the comments, on the questions of the students in the comment space, or to emphasize things that me as the instructor would want to discuss with my students. And the interaction space enables me to set different types of interactions on the video, such as quizzes, polls, Different types of questions. I can create whatever I want, all kinds of questions and comments on the video that all my students will have to answer. This is in terms of the widget. Let's talk a little bit about the Annoto dashboard. The Annoto dashboard enables me to see analytics and insights about everything that is happening in the video. The dashboard provides analytics in many different levels. First of all, we have the organization level. This can help us see everything that happened in the entire organization. Then each instructor can see everything that happened in their own courses. So I can go into the courses and see all the activity that happened there. I can focus on every specific video or page or any activity that happened within my course. And I can also focus on a specific user in my course. Basically, the Annoto dashboard enables us to get insights on any question that we have. We can get insights on our users. What was their progress? Who are my struggling students? Where do I have low students activity? I can also get insights on the content of the video. I can see what was the consumption. I can see what were the levels of understanding of my students. I can get insights and feedback on the content itself. Of course, the dashboard also enables you to manage the entire discussion, and all the reports from the dashboard can be exported. The Administrator Insights dashboard enables the organization to see all the activity that happened there, starting with how many videos were used in my entire university, and so on. The Annoto dashboard enables each instructor to choose which exact features they want to have. So the features can be enabled on the site level, and then each instructor can override these features to choose exactly what fits in that specific course. So me as the instructor, I can choose which features I want to enable in all the videos in my course, and I can even change the features of one specific video. Completely up to you. Annoto also supports live streaming. So if you're using a video for live, it can be supported with multiple options, such as managing the discussion, moderating the comments, adding anonymous capabilities, adding reactions to the video while everyone is watching, and so on. The interaction layers, like we've mentioned, is another part of the video that enables time-tagged questions on the video, and also analytics about it. So basically, Annoto gives, let me take you to see the Annoto dashboard. The dashboard is also a part of the LMS. So as you can see, you can have direct insight you can have a direct. The dashboard also supports, like we've mentioned, the Annoto dashboard is part of the LMS. So from the LMS itself, you can quickly go into the Annoto dashboard to see all the activity that happened in that course. So as the instructors, you can see, first of all, a general overview of the activity, all your students' activity, everything that happened in the course. Then you can see all the videos that you have. You can dive into each video to see what happened exactly there. And you can also see the activity of each and every one of your students in the course. When we click on a specific video, we will dive in to see the exact activity that happened there. Starting from the discussion itself, we can manage the discussion from the dashboard. We can even reply to questions. And we can also export the comments from the dashboard. We can see the general activity. We can see each and every user in the course and what was their activity in that specific video. And like we've mentioned, we can also choose the preferences that we want to have in the video. So if you don't want the comment space, for example, for one specific video, you can very easily disable it, okay? And if you're not sure what you did, if you changed something and you're not sure that you wanted to do that, you can always revert back to your course defaults. Enabling all these kinds of interaction really gives you the ability to use any kind of use case in the video. Annoto is being used by customers from all over the world, and this is only a tip of it. But basically, it can be used to create a collaborative discussion on top of the video. Annoto can be used to guide your students with questions along the video. Annoto can be used to provide feedback to your students by you as the instructors, or it can be used to provide video for the students by their fellow students for peer review. It can also be used to provide feedback on any produced video content between two colleagues. And there are many, many more use cases that we will discuss in a separate video. I'm here to answer any question that you have, to provide consultancy, to hear any request that you can think of. Feel free to contact me. Annoto is always open for feedback. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be back with additional videos. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.